Ajat, Ajat, hello Ajat, hello Ajat, hello Ajat, hello Ajat, hello
Yes,
Ajat.
sir.
Uh, how about my voice?
Yes, sir. Better.
Is it clear? Is
Yes, sir.
audible? Is audible?
Yes, sir. Audible. Audible, sir.
Okay. At any point of time, if you get any disturbance, okay, lowest, please,
Yes.
okay, alert me so that I will switch on to the different device. Okay. And now
Okay.
I'm starting with the laptop itself. And if you get any disturbance, then I will switch on to the another device.
Getting little bit, sir.
Hello,
Getting
sound,
little bit, sir. Disturbance.
low voice, huh?
Sir. Little bit
So,
disturbance, sir.
okay, then I will switch on to the this one. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir. Switch to the mobile, sir.
Okay, Ajat.
Yes, sir.
I'm calling from iPad. How about
Okay, sir.
voice? Is it clear now
Better,
and
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir. Audible, sir.
It is better when compared to laptop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll
Yes, sir.
continue from
Audible,
the
sir.
last class. So last
Okay,
class,
sir.
hello. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
last class we are asked to find various values for different pressure and temperature. The first one you have taken is P is 10 bar and X is equals to 0.9 for this. And first of all, we like to find the values from your steam table. We like to find these values from your steam table. And please, okay, I'm opening the chart, all of you. you please respond through the chart. You have to tell the answers always, and I will note down values based on response from your chart. Okay, all the people are requested to respond immediately, and all of you please open your stream tables. And now we start with working with the stream tables. Pressure is 10 bar, and this x is equals to 0.9 bar, and temperature Ts. This 179.9 degrees that you have got using the steam tables. Yes, sir. Against a 10 bar. Okay. Yes, I will go with like this. Yes, here you can observe. Here you can observe. Against this 10 bar. Against this 10 bar. And the temperature is 179.9 that you have written down. Now we'll go with what you call, sir, HF. This is called HF, and this is called HFG. These values I'm going to copy here into my notes. Yes, sir. HF is 762.6, and HFG is 2013.6 kilojoules per kg. And now, what is the value of H per vector steam? So H is equals to HF plus X into HFG. H is equals to HF plus X into HFG. This is the situation. Now you apply the same formula. So HF is equals to, just a minute, sir. HF is equals to 762.6 plus X is equals to 0.9 into 2013 point, how much, sir? This is decimal place in the chart. All of you. Yes, sir. No. HFG. Please tell me HFG first of all. 2013.347. You have given the entire value. What is the HFG value? HFG value, sir. Yes. HFG is 20. Yes, sir. This much. 2013.6.
16.
Please type it otherwise. Okay, nice, sir. 2013.6. Sorry. At the edges we are unable. Now the sum is already yes, 347 has given like this. That is equals to
2574.8.
Yes. What happened to this one? Yeah. Otherwise, I will go with this one.
2574.
Okay, just
74.
got a problem with this stylus. You know. Yes, sir.
Which equal
2574.
74.
Point.
74.
Some people are
74.
Sir, there's no problem
Okay,
with the
sir.
decimal place.
84.
Okay, so many
Yes, sir. 84.
kilojoules per kg. Okay, that is the case.
Yes.
Next one is we are supposed to find, what is the next one, sir? H is over. Then let us find yes, sir. Yeah, this is yes. Yes is given as SF plus X into SFG. For vector stream, entropy is given as SF plus X into SFG. And once again, from your stream tables, what is the SF value, sir? Once again, we'll go here. And yes, sir, I will move with this. Yes, sir. This is okay. Just a moment. This is SF and this is SFG. 2.138. Okay, 2.138. Okay, I will go to this. 2.138 plus, yeah, what is X, sir?
Plus
0.9.
0.
into what is SFG, sir? 4 point. Yes, sir.
4.
326. What is SFG? Every time I have to move on. 4 point.
4.
Sir, 4.445.
445.
I would like to have the answer from all the people, sir. Okay. Otherwise, it won't be called as interactive. If at all I want to write like an value, some PPT and simply read out. It's not the way. You people have to tell the values. All of you.
Yes,
I will ask all the people to unmute as well as on your video to show your scheme tables and model chart and notes and everything. Being is a beginning, not insisting. Okay. Yes, sir. Total value is somebody 347 is giving total value. I want 4.447 is the SFG. Nice. 4.447. And the total value is 6.138. All of you accept a few numbers like 306, 329, 326, 347. Remaining people are not active in chart. Means to say you are not doing the problem. Okay. Please do the problem and we may get a variation from person to person. There is not at all a big issue. We'll do the rounding up and we'll follow with the any acceptable value. 6.138 so many kilojoule per kg Kelvin. This is the point you have to keep in mind. Nice, sir. After having this one, yes, sir. Let us find V, sir. For that, okay, I will go to the next slide. How V is given, sir? V is given as okay, just wait. V is given as X VG plus 1 minus X 1 minus X. Here we're getting some problem with this. V is equals to Vg plus 1 minus X into Vf. This is what exactly. And now we'll see what is this Vg and Vf. We have to get it, sir. And I already told you V is also equals to this Vg also. This V also equals to V is also equals to what you call, sir? Yes. Is also is equal to X Vg also. Now from your scheme tables, what is Vg and what is that's a very good 326 has given. That is equals to Vg and these two things we can able to get. This is the Vg. Yes, sir. This is the Vg and this is Vf. 0.194. X is 0.09 into Vg 0. Yes, sir. 19430. 19430 plus bracket low 1 minus 0.9 into what is Vf? VF is 0.001127. 1127. And the effective value V is equals to, yes sir, what is the value after multiplication of these two? Please get me the value. What is the value of V? 0.9 into, I want the response from students through chart. Sir, around 95 people are there and no response. Yes, sir. Please type it. Yes, sir. Someone has given 0.1749.
0.1748.
Okay, no problem, sir.
0.1749 is.
Okay. Not a big issue, sir. Small difference. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's only rounding up problem. Please, okay, nice. But I need okay, these calculations from each and every person. Okay, Nama, then only it will be interactive. Otherwise, okay, if you are not happy with this, simply I will have the PPT and simply I read out line by line. But will not serve your purpose. Maybe seems to be good. Okay, now, sir, already I told you I have given two options. One is, yes, sir, either this is the actual, okay, sir, this is the actual formula, but we can manage this formula also, I told you. Now, what is the corresponding value when you use only this one? Let us see here. V is equals to, what is X, sir? 0.9 into VG 0.19430. And what is the value? Almost it may be equal to, sir, mostly last 2 days we need to ignore. What is the outcome of this one, sir? Please.
0.1748.
0.1748. So you won't find any difference, sir. Sir, even you people have told you, one people has told that it is 0.1748, other has told that 1749. Again, whether you consider this part or not is not going to give much difference in this. That to fourth digit after 0. That's why mostly we may allow to go with this one. Okay, sir? Are you able to follow? Sir, if you use this equation, you have got the answer 0.1748. If you use the entire equation, we have got this 0.1748. Some people also got 17. Okay, what do you call, sir? 48. So there is no much difference. This what exactly how you are going to solve this problem using what do you call, sir? Your screen tables for a condition of the steel with the state properties Parazzi 10 bar and Dennis fraction is 0.9. Let us do the same thing with the steam molar chart. Let us do the same thing. Try to end with the molar chart, sir. Yes, sir. And here I am going to have. Yes, this is the molar. Sir, yesterday you have seen a different molar chart. Wherein on zooming you are not in a position to identify the values. At least today you check with this quality. Even you zoom it, you are able to see the values, isn't it? Hello, Ajay? Hello, Ajay?
Sir, it's
Sir,
able to
sir.
see.
Yesterday when you zoom it, you are not in a position to identify the value. Today, gone for this different versions. I have scanned it using college Xerox machine. Of course, A3 up to A3 possibly I am able to get it. Okay, there is no problem. Still, we can manage it, sir. And if at all you want, you can have it. But you people are not required to zoom it. Now, how to get this one? Identification of the pointer. I am using this what you call, sir, yes, highlighter and going for this color. Yes, sir. First of all, sir, you have to identify 10 bar constant pressure line. Yes. Now we'll go with the 10 bar. Sir, you can observe this is the 10 bar. This is the 10 bar. Okay. This is the 10 bar. I want to make it somewhat. Okay. Are you able to see, or I will make it dark? Okay.
Change the
Sir,
color.
visible.
Okay. This is the 10 bar, the bottom one. Okay, sir. So this is the 10 bar constant pressure line. And next, what is the other one, sir? 0.9. Okay, sir. 0.9 dryness fraction line. Sir, constant dryness fraction line, sir. Dryness fraction line indicates here itself. Sir, if you start here, yes. Suppose, yes, sir.
First no.
This is to 1, sir. Oh, otherwise, I will go with, okay. This
First
is 1.
no.
Okay, otherwise, okay. This is 1. This is a 0.95. Okay. And otherwise, I'll go with this one. This is 0.95. I will have further thickness. Yes. Sir, this is this is 0.95. This is 0.9. How about this one, sir? 0.92, sir. This is 0.9, 0.91, 0.92, 0.93, 0.94, 0.95. Okay, we cannot give okay number for each one if it is clumsy. So this is the 0.9. Now I'm highlighting this 0.9. Yes, sir. Constant dryness fraction line. So I will go like this. Now this is the what do you call, sir? Constant dryness fraction line. Okay. Otherwise, I will draw this line also, sir. We are not able to see. Okay. Or this one at least. This is the constant dryness fraction line. Okay. Now the intersection of these two. Now some overlap is there. Now we remove it. Yes, sir. Now I can identify this one as this is the constant dryness fraction line. Okay, that is equals to x is equals to 1, and this is the constant pressure line, and this intersection we can call it as what do you call, sir? This intersection we can call it as state 1. Okay, this intersection you have to take it as a state 1. Now with this, using the scale, okay, sir. Now with this, using the scale, yes, sir. Simply, you draw horizontal line. You have to draw horizontal line. For that, I am going to take this horizontal line or something else. Now, I will start from this point and go like this. Okay, more or less, sir. Now, what is this value? This is 2500, sir. This is 2600. Okay, and now this is equals to, it is 20 short of 2 division short of this one. Mean to say how much it is, sir? Approximately 2580 around. How much it is, sir? This is H1. All of you?
2580.
Okay, sir. This is H1. H1. What is this, sir? H1. You please identify this point. Sir, once again, I will zoom it, sir. I will zoom it, sir. Once again, I will tell you no. Yes, sir. This is what you call. Yes, sir. This is a 10 bar line. This is a 10 bar line. This is equals to 10 bar line. This is the 10 bar line. and this is the point 9 Danish fraction. Their intersection is the point. Their intersection is going to be our point. And you draw, okay, using what you call, sir, using pencil and scale, draw horizontal line. Whatever the value you are going to get with this on this axis, that is going to be your okay h1 line. Okay, and this h1 you have to write. So identify the h1 values, sir. Please tell me through your chart. Intersection of what? 10 bar. Intersection of what? 10 bar. And 0.9. Both are intersecting this point. At this point, now you draw vertical line as well as a horizontal line. I'm going to draw vertical line also. Now it is the vertical line. Okay. Now continuing the same thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once again, I will draw this. This is the one, not this is it. So, whatever the value you have got between 6 and 6.2. Sir, not getting any response from chart? Are you not in a position to identify this point? At least, sir, are you in a position to identify this point? This point. Okay? Ajad,
Sir,
are you able to identify this point? 1. Any difficulty?
visible, sir.
Do you have
Six.
your personal copy with you?
Yes, sir, in mobile only, sir.
6.1, sir.
And
6.1,
you have to
6.
identify the value, sir. You have to identify the value.
6.1,
You are telling about this one? Yes, sir. And
6.12 maybe.
just a minute, let me.
Not visible, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, not audible, sir.
Sir,
sir,
అసలు వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Sir, not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
sir, sir,
Sir, వినిపించలేదు సార్.
Sir, laptop mic on చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
శివా
ఆఫ్ చేసి వినిపించట్లేదు.
అరే సార్ ఏం చెప్పట్లేదురా బాబు.
ఫ్రెష్
అవునా?
అవుట్.
మళ్ళీ స్కూల్ మళ్ళీ
లాల్ మైక్ ఆఫ్ చేయి.
సార్ ఏం చెప్పట్లేదురా.
చెప్తున్నారు రాస్తున్నారు కదా అక్కడ.
హలో బాబు మీరందరూ
శివ,
మ్యూట్ చేయండి
నేను
మైకులు.
శివ,
సార్ చెప్తారులే, మీరు మ్యూట్ చేయండి అమ్మా మైకులు. మీరెవరు మాట్లాడకండి.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ రాంబాబు సార్, సార్ సార్ వినిపిస్తుందా సార్? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఒక్క నిమిషం, మీద ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది, సార్ ఫోన్ చేశాను, చేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్.
The system my sir, system unmute change, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute.
ఓకే. రాంబాబు సార్ వినిపిస్తున్నా సార్ ఇప్పుడు?
ఇప్పుడు వినపడుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్, ఆడియో ఓకే. ఆడిబుల్ సార్, ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ నిమిషం Chandrasekhar, but my mobile chat is not coming.
No, sir. Nothing is displayed.
Okay, just a minute.
Nothing on the screen.
Just on sharing. Screen sharing, I'm not able to see. You're not able to see screen.
Yes sir, audible sir.
Audible, but the screen is not getting shared. Okay.
Sure.
My screen is not coming on to you.
Yes sir, screen రాలేదు సార్.
Nothing is displayed on the screen.
Sir, Ramab sir. Sir,
Hello.
sir, share option నాకు వచ్చింది సార్.
మీకు వచ్చిందా?
Yes sir.
Anybody can share and but okay. Share.
రాలేదు సార్ అలాగా.
Only one thing. We'll speak to this and okay, here I'll start screen sharing. We'll go with a different approach. Okay.
Yes sir, okay sir.
Now we are able to just see the screen, kada?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's able to see the screen, sir.
Anybody number of screens are coming?
Yes sir.
Hello?
Hello, Azhar.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir.
sir, చెప్పండి.
Okay. You check for the screen.
Sir?
Are you able to find my screen?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Nothing, sir.
There's some problem. Okay, now it started.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So abruptly some settings have gone for Siri or something else. Voice assisting the distributor. We have an assistant Siri in Apple, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one, this tab we have to keep somewhere else. This has made a disturbance. Now we have to go back. Okay. Now, yes, sir. Start with the scan upgrade now. Yes, sir. Go with, scan it documents. Yeah. Okay. So we'll ultimately the essence of what I want to say is, if you want to have usage of this Molet chart, the advantage is simply by identifying a 10 bar line like this. So 10 bar line like this. Okay, I'm able to identify this line, followed by the next one is 0.9. Okay, then automatically I'm able to yes. I'm able to draw this, identify this 10 bar line. That's the first operation I have gone for. Okay. This is the 10 bar line you have identified. And this is the x is equals to 0.9. Their intersection is going to be our point. Simply you draw horizontal line, measure the h value. Simply you draw the y-axis line. Simply you draw the y-axis line. You identify the s value. Okay. So vertical line will get the s value immediately without form of s is equals to sf plus x into sfg. And horizontal value, yes, you can get it by drawing the horizontal line like this. We can able to find what is the h value directly, 2580. 2580. It is so easy to draw those values. That is, this is equals to 6.12 and this is 2580. So if the Molet chart, we can able to get the values very easily, but it is a single step. We are identifying only state 1 only. Thereafter, we are going to identify the state 2 also. There you will find the advantage of this Molet chart line. And now Okay, we'll try to identify various points with the different combinations, sir. Okay, sir. And before that, I will first of all erase. And all of you use the Moeller chart with a pencil and eraser. And after getting the value, simply erase the entire Moeller chart. Okay, and then make it available for reuse. Yes, sir. And these lines we are able to get using this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This line, I'm going to get it. Once the usage is over, simply erase the entire Moeller chart and make it usable as per the fresh. Okay, all the lines I hope they were removed. Okay, whatever left is, yes, sir. Left. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this is what exactly. And now, yes, sir, we'll go with a different combination. You have seen a combination of vector stream. Now we'll go with a superheated steam. So, what is the condition of this steam here, sir? The condition of this steam here. Let us go further. Okay. Now the condition here it is P is equals to 15 bar and T is equals to 250 degrees centigrade. Anyhow, TS should be taken from the steam tables only. So whether it is a superheated steam or something else, how can you able to know, sir? We can able to know whether it is a superheated steam or not if the temperature is more than Ts. If the T is greater than, just a minute. If the T is greater than Ts, then only we can say that it is a superheated steam. It is called as a superheated steam. That is the case. So first of all, let us check what is the saturation. What is the saturation? Temperature against 15 bar from your steam tables. From the steam tables against 15 bar. Okay, sir. I will move like this. This is 0.15. Yes, sir. 2 bar. The maximum is 5 bar. In this 12.5 is the maximum. And here, yes, sir. You can observe this is 15. So 198.3 is the corresponding temperature, sir. So what is the TS, sir? 198 point. This, sir. Just a minute. I will open the chart. Okay. I hope at least the screen is visible. Okay. Sir, in the chart, I've typed that screen not visible. 325. What is the status as of now? 325. Is it visible?
Not visible, sir.
Okay.
Not visible, sir.
Not
Visible.
hello? Visible or not visible?
Not visible, sir.
But I'm able
Not
to
visible,
see.
sir.
How about others, sir? Still you are not in a position to see. Sir, I have laptop and this what you call iPad. I'm present in the iPad and able to see the same thing in laptop, sir. Check it once again. Otherwise, you type on chat. Sir, I heard. Hello, please type on chat. Yes, privately. Or 325. Not able to see. Voice is not audible. Voice is audible,
Audible, sir.
now? Okay.
Audible, sir.
Okay. How about this one? Screen? How about screen? So I'm writing Azad.
Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. So my question is, you have to find the properties at a pressure P is equals to 15 bar. Okay. And then temperature is 250 degrees. Okay. And now, yes, sir. Here I'm going to write. And next, pressure P is equals to 15 bar. And the temperature is 250 degrees centigrade. And the saturation temperature against 15 bar is 190. What is that, sir? Yes, 198.3. Here you can see. Here you can see, sir. 198.3. Yes. Okay, now 198.3. Because the temperature T is greater than Ts, and this steam is called as a superheated steam. Wow, visible? Okay. Whenever you get a problem, sir, you straight away, okay, either you raise your voice, or if I'm able to recognize, you make a call, sir. Alajar. And Chandrasekhar
Yes,
sir
sir.
has done the same thing. Okay. Whenever not able to identify this problem, please simply call me. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
We are not getting consistency. There is a different case. So the temperature is only 250, which is more than the saturation temperature. Then this is called as superheated steam. And then automatically, yes, sir, we'll go with what you call the property is a superheated steam. And then we'll move on to this molar chart. In this molar chart, first of all, you have to identify what is this. Yes, sir. We have to identify. It is a color one, sir. We are not in a position to highlight the matter. Okay, white so down, let us say. Now, we'll go with the 15 bar, sir. First of all, sir, you are able to, this is the 15. Okay. Sir, you are able to, this is the 15. Are you able to, this is 15 bar line. This is the 15 bar line. You have to identify. Okay, otherwise these colors are not that much promising. Now, what is the next one, sir? Constant temperature line. Yes, sir. Here you can able to see this is the constant temperature line. Here you can see this is the constant temperature line. Once again, I will highlight this one using this pen. Yes, sir. Otherwise, I will increase the width also. Okay. Sir, this is the constant temperature line. Okay, sir. And this one is 15 bar. And this one is 250 degrees centigrade. They are the things we are able to see. 250 and 15. And they are going to intersect at this point. That point you have to highlight with some different color. Yes. Yes, sir. This is the corresponding point. And this is going to be our point 2 or whatever you call it. This is the point. Are you able to identify this point, sir? How you got this one, sir? Intersection of 15 bar line. This is the 15 bar line. And another line is what you call, sir? This is the what you call 250 degrees. Their intersection will give us. Now you have to draw the horizontal line as well as the vertical line. Now you have to draw. Yes, sir. I'm going to draw horizontal line. Yes, sir. This I'm going to draw. Okay. I will reduce it. Now we are able to see, and I'm continuing the same line. And mostly it is coming. Okay, sir. This is the 29. Then 29, 20 or something else I will get. Okay. 29, 20. Or simply, okay, sir, first of all,
Roll number 312. Mute your mic.
this is 29, 20. It is around 29, 20. This is the H value. In the same manner, sir, you may get slightly up and down. I have not used the scale. If you use the scale, you will get this value. So how you got this value, sir? Simply, yes, how? First of all, I have considered. Yes, sir, this is the line I have considered. What is that line? Yes, sir, this is the line. This is a 15 bar line. This is 15 bar. Then this is the line I have considered. This is a 250 degrees centigrade. Their intersection I have taken. Their intersection I have taken. That is going to be what you call, sir. This is a 0.1 or 2. Now, with this 2, I have taken vertical and horizontal. Now you start taking vertical line. You take the vertical line. Then, yes, sir. Then try to extend up to, yes, this axis. Yes, sir. Yes. You try to complete it. Okay. Yes.
అంత ఈజీగా చెప్పే విషయమే అయితే మన ఇద్దరు ఎందుకు ఇలా దించుకుని వచ్చేస్తాం మోనిక లాంటి వేసుకులోకి ఎందుకు భయపడతాం మరి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటారు నాకైతే అది కార్తీక్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిందని అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు అదే అనుమానం వస్తుంది ఫోన్ చేయని వాడికి పోతే ఒకవేళ అతను అక్కడికి వెళ్ళకపోతే మీ అబ్బాయి వాళ్ళ ప్రశ్న వేస్తారు
Sir, Karthik Babu mute.
సార్
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినట్టుంది సార్ సార్కి.
ఓకే నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను.
మల్లికార్జున్ మైట్
నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను.
మల్లికార్జున్
మీరు
మ్యూట్ లో
మైక్
పెట్టు.
మ్యూట్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మీరు ప్రతిసారి కార్తీక్ బాబు ఎవరు మధ్యలోని